Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas Tax and Lawman. Have you ever looked out the window at the airport and wondered how that giant 1,275-ton 757 aircraft loaded with passengers, luggage, and fuel was really able to climb into the air and fly? Or looked at a giant cruise ship and questioned how 300 million pounds of steel could actually float? Well, that's the look I see on many people's faces when we talk about the big idea that lowering tax rates increases tax revenue. It's counterintuitive. Your eyes and common sense tell you that just can't be. Well, an airplane flies, steel ships float, and reducing tax rates raises more money. Why? Well, because each of these things use an unseen principle to overcome what seems apparent. A pilot will explain to us that thrust plus lift overcomes drag and drives the plane into the sky. A ship's captain will explain the power of displacement that makes a cruise ship float. And the power to keep more of your own money incentivizes you to work harder and in turn pay more. When you do that, a lower rate of tax makes the government more money. Check out these numbers for 2015 to 2019 taxes. Your 2015 to 2017 show us tax and revenue raised under the older, higher Obama rates, where the top personal tax rate was 39.6%. When added to the 3.8% net investment tax, the top personal rate equaled 43.4%. which is higher than the Laffer curve, which says people are disincentivized to earn money when the rate exceeds 43.2%. In 2016, we raised $3.25 trillion. 2016, 3.27. 2017, 3.32 trillion. Now, in 2018, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act lowered the tax bracket and the top effective rate fell to 37%. When added to the 3.8 net investment tax, we had a tax rate of 40.8% on top earners. Now, our normal intuition would say that this drop of taxes plus the reduction of corporate tax rates from 28% to 21% should have reduced our tax earnings to the United States. We were physically collecting tax at lower rates. But look at the numbers. 2018, we raised tax revenue of $3.33 trillion. In 2019, tax revenue went up to $3.46 trillion. Comparing 2017 to 2019, tax rates fell by 3%. And tax revenue went up by 4.2%. Talk about counterintuitive. If you're a small business owner or a hardworking American, that should put a smile on your face. Think about that next time you board a cruise ship or take flight. Some things are truly amazing. Until next time, adios. Texas Tax and Lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.